Pro-Palestinian or pro-Israeli makes it sound like football. I'm pro-human rights, says Susan Neiman. This is an excerpt from Derek Scully's text in Irish Times. Neiman says, I wanted to revive Jewish intellectual life in Germany, but now I don't think they really want it. In no uncertain terms, and by all kinds of Germans, Neiman has been told in the last weeks and months that in effect she's the wrong kind of Jew. The debate here has been depressing and eye-opening, Neiman says, and left her unsure if she still has a place here. In a modern take on the Red Scare, Neiman says anyone like her who criticizes Israel's extremist government and its policies is obliged to prove that they are not an anti-Semite. Terms such as pro-Palestinian or pro-Israeli makes the whole conflict sounds like football is my team and your team. I'm pro-human rights and speak out when human rights are being violated, says Neiman. In recent years, Neiman argues it has become difficult, if not impossible, to discuss the Nazi mass murder in its historical and political context without being accused of attempting to relativize German guilt for mass murder. The main lines of her text are, Neiman says, I'm American, I can't understand, I'm not genuinely Jewish. The final irony for Neiman is how critics lump her in with the boycott Israel efforts of the BDS boycott, divestment, sanctions campaign. Neiman says she disagrees with such boycotts, but fearing a chilling effect for Israel, critics like herself campaigned against the Bundestag resolution to label the BDS anti-Semitic. More than half of Israel's population come from Arab countries and are physically indistinguishable from Palestinians, she says. So the woke idea that has gotten around that Israelis are white and Palestinians are people of color is ridiculous, she says.